Hey everyone, it's Pony Maymay. I haven't done a tutorial in a while, but here's one today. It is about ZeroUp Steamworks Achievement Integration Package for your RPG Maker VX Ace games. This script is a powerful tool that makes it possible to integrate Steam achievements seamlessly into your game. In this video, we'll be covering everything you need to know how to get started, including how to install the script and set up Steamworks SDK, how to configure the script about your game's Steam achievements, how to trigger achievements during gameplay, and tips for testing and publishing your game on Steam. Whether you're a new developer or looking to enhance your game, the tutorial will give you the tools and confidence to implement achievements like a pro. Attention! Before you watch the rest of this video, I need to let you know that you must be signed up with the Steamworks Partner Program to be able to use the Steam SDK and to be able to test out your achievements. I'm letting you know that ahead of time before you try to get into actually doing this. So, with that said, let's get into the nitty-gritty. So what you do to get started, you go to this page. I'll have it linked in the description. It's on the RPG Maker forums, the official ones by Gotcha Gotcha Games. Then you go down here, you click on the MediaFire installation package, you click download, you set that up, and I'm going to show you how to do that in just a second. Okay, here we go. So now we're looking in the script editor. Make sure you put every script that you're making, that it's a custom script and not part of the actual engine itself, underneath materials but above main process. So with this integration package, you have to be able to put all 4 of these so it could read all of the Steam achievements and make sure it integrates correctly with the game that you're creating in RPG Maker VX Ace. So, achievement base. Let's see here. This is where it shows where, like, all the achievements are here. This is just the base of the script. Then there's the polling. And then the configuration is the best part because you get to mess around a little. What you do, basically, here's all of my achievements, all the way from 1 to 15. And yeah, basically you have to make sure that the IDs of each achievement matches up with the names of the achievements on the Steamworks page or the partner page, just to make sure that nothing gets lost. And you always have to make sure that you have implemented it right, or it will cause a mess up. And if you update it, and people who have bought the game were like, oh no, there's a glitch or something, and they'll report it, and then all that mumbo jumbo will happen. So how I set mine up, I made common events. And what I did is, at a certain scene, when it's supposed to unlock something, I set that common event to be called. I'm sorry if you hear noise in the background, my cats are being silly. But with that being said, all 15 of my common events I have right here are all Steam achievements. And, like, your achievements can be for, like, anything in the game, like opening up 5 chests in a row without, like, or, like, opening up, like, all the chests in the game, or, like, I don't know, like, meeting all the characters that are, like, main characters in the game, or talking to everyone once in the game. Like, meeting everyone in the game, you know? So, the next thing I want to show you is how to get the SDK if you already have gotten the Steamworks Partner Program signed up for and already paid. Okay, so the latest the SDK has to be, or the earliest, it would, like, the latest version that you could do is probably around 2015, maybe to early 2016. So that would be the best bet to go and get one of those once you have signed up, paid the $100 fee for Steamworks Steamworks partner thing that I signed up for. And basically, what you do in that, you get 1 credit after you pay the first initial fee. So then you're able to upload a game, and then you can test it, and then once you're ready for release, you can release it, all of that. So what you want to do, if I remember correctly, it was probably around, I think it was like the last 2015 one, so like this one right here. So like, Steamworks SDK 1.35. That's the one that you would probably have the best bet with. So, yeah, the next thing I'm going to show you is the achievements page. How you set that up, how you get it to work. So yeah, let's test that out. Okay, so whenever you go to get the stuff from the package that the creator of this package has made, make sure you get util Steam. Make sure you also have the Steam app ID text document, the Steam API library, and then the Steam API DLL. These two are from Steamworks. These two are from the creator of this package. These are needed to make it run correctly. Just a little FYI. So, once all that is put in, it should be good to go. But you also need to make sure that you implement them into your game, and I'll show you that in just a second. Okay, let's go. Okay, so you have to make sure that the API name is the same whenever you implement it into the script, right? And then the display name, whenever you're calling the achievement in like a cutscene, when you find a special item or you achieve like a goal in the game, like, you know, beat the final boss or whatever, or you beat the game, you have to be able to, it has to read the display name whenever you're calling the achievement. So you make sure that you have the display name and the API name the same inside the script. Like, if it's all lowercase, keep it lowercase. If it's all uppercase, keep it uppercase. Because it will not be, because it's very, what's the word? It's dependent on how it's spelled inside the Steamworks API or on the Steamworks partner page. So with that said, you basically go through, you set all these up, etc., etc., do all the good shit, and yeah, basically, there you go. Once you get all these set up, the next step, testing. Okay, checklist time. Before you playtest, make sure you have all the SDKs, all the DLLs, and also make sure that all the API names and display names are correct when you implement your achievements into the script. If you do not do that, it will not work. Trust me, I've been there, done that. So yeah, make sure you do all that, and you should be good to go. So, I hope that you all enjoyed this video. You guys have a great day, night, or afternoon. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Bye!